to look around X12. I can't remember if we've had a look around this one before at all or not. We're out doing a school run this morning. We've got SB406, which is the Ringshaw School wide air door on this one. Now, over on the dash this one, we've got the aircon module down the bottom here. This is for the screen. Turn that on, that will blow onto the windscreen. Up and down controls there, and heat, such that it is not much at this time in the morning. CD player and radio and announcement system. We've got a couple of warning lights at the top here. Body side warning lights on this one, emergency door, and did have a toilet on originally. That's been removed now and panelled over, but there's a water warning light for the toilet there. 230 volt for a little servery it would have had, and a coffee machine. Got electric window for the cab on this one. Over on the right hand side, that's out of a shot there. Power mirrors and screen and things on this. The screen on the so this is for the mirrors, that's for the screen on the offside there. Cab fan, mirrors we just talked about. These are night lights. It's a cab light there above me. Reversing buzzer isolator, so outside the hours of operation there, so 11 till 7:30 or something. It needs to be in the off position so the reversing buzzer doesn't come on. We've got reading lights on the racks. We've got main saloon lights, so we're full on fluorescence at the moment. School kids all be doing playing with the lights, just on and off on there. Some of them have an intermediate position for the for different lights in there, but we've got a separate switch for that, and luggage locker light switch there. And down there we've got a main switch, indicators and beam on the left, with this one's got a cruise control light. On the right hand side, retarder, that's set in the automatic position at the moment, so on the first that's off. On the A position, that'll just do whatever it does on the floor pedal for braking, just cuts in automatically, or you can use that on manual control right down to the bottom there. So just leave that on the first position. Indicators on the left, wipers on the right on this, with some controls for some of the dashboard gauges on here, for escape and up and down and enter. Intermittent is up, and 1 and 2 speed is down. Digital tachograph in here. We've got our lighting controls here, with some auxiliary lights and pull for fog lights and things on there, and panel dimmer and hazard lights. On the dashboard, we've got all manner of array of things in here. Can't quite see properly on there, maybe, but showing the gears readout at the moment. That can be selected to show different things in the different data there, with this control at the end, and all sorts of extra stuff on there. Back to where we were in a minute. Over this side we've got our reversing camera, stability control, and hill start mode on there, kneeling and ferry lift. That's the main switch, separate main switch on the dash there for complete isolation. This body main switch. We've got the blind control and aircon controls and things. The door switches there, a bronze brake, a handbrake, and the I shift control down here with economy and power and drive and auto, manual if you like. Rarely use that with the up and down on the front there of the button somewhere. I think we can on the side on this one, we can go up and down gears with that if we want to, but leave it in auto. 12 speed, it just sorts itself out. The electric one I talked about is this window here, and an electric window and electrically heated, so we can raise and lower that from a switch on the side there. And it's electrically heated as well, because that's just single glaze, that pane, and that sometimes steams up a little bit. Nice big mirrors on here, and that's about it.